Okay, it should work now, apparently. But I have no idea if it actually does. Yeah, it does. Okay. Cool. But the resolution, the resolution, yeah. I should probably do something about this because the resolution is kind of bad, not gonna lie. And does my mouse work? This is what really matters. No, my video doesn't sync with my audio for some reason. Like it just doesn't, and I have no idea how to fix it. Literally, remove, rename file properties. Display capture, window capture. Oh no, control center and model battery. I can capture this. I have one, but no, this is not actually what I need. Roblox Studio, secret game. Display capture, show cursor. Restart capture. I can't restart the capture. What did I do? Oh wait, it does signal. Okay. Finally. Um, I can actually do something right now. Is it actually time to start already? Yeah, it does. Maybe it's starting a bit later than I should. So Secret Game 3000. I have the genius game idea of grass touching simulator. In fact, this is what I'm gonna do. Because why not? Grass. There we go. I have this ultimate part called grass. We'll be touching grass today. And I'm gonna use my iPad as live chat. There we go. This is actually cool though. Yeah, we're gonna have the small grass here. Let's make it green. Yeah, there we go. We're finished with it. No, okay, we actually gotta script this now. I wish I actually knew what to write after this, like local players, I guess. Equals game gets equals. Oh, shit. I need to change my language. Yes, equals game gets players. I probably should add like a proximity prompt inside the part, to be honest. Proximity prompt. Even though it's more realistic if I use like a click detector, I think it's. I'm gonna use a proximity prompt for now. Grass. There we go. It's textures, no grass. Now we need to change it out a bit. Okay, this actually looks like grass, to be honest. Let's start scripting this. I'm just gonna import workspace. And I'm pretty sure I will need to replicate storage later, so I can do that. It already wants me to import a bunch of services, but I don't need so many for now. Get service. Oh, someone said hi. Finally, someone joined. Replicate storage. Alright. So, we probably need to make some reader stats first. So, players dot player added connect function local reader stats. Hi, here cat. What? Equals infinite new folder. Your stats name player, yeah. So, it's good now. Local grass touch it. Oh wait, I can't have spaces, my bad. Grass touched. Can I consummate the game? Yeah, sure, let me add you. Oh wait, actually I already know you, so I'm pretty sure I know your username. Manage collaborators. Noah. No. I think this is you. Correct me if it's not. Overgrass touched. it should be an int value. To be honest, this like code assist thing is very useful if you're too lazy to type, just like me. Like, can I have spaces in this? I actually have no idea. I think I can. Can I even have spaces in reader stats? Yeah, yes it does. Okay, great. Apparent reader stats. Wait, we need to import data store service. Well, actually, no, I'm not gonna deal with this for now. I hate data store. This is not something I'm gonna do. Hell no. At least not in this live stream. Maybe I should ask my Discord server to join, to be honest. But I have no idea would they actually care. Okay, I'm not gonna do so. Wait, I'm actually gonna like send the invite, but from the other device. I don't want to open my YouTube on like my main thing, this computer. Say, general chat. Yeah, sure. There we go. Wait, did it send? Okay. My Discord is completely cooked right now. Why does it say this red dot here? Okay, it's kind of weird. So now we probably have reader stats, or if I actually can't have braces and space in reader stats, I guess I can. That's a bit broken. Like it just says graph, 3 dots, but whatever. What is this? What are you? Base weight. Add a comment. Oh, okay, cool. Proximity prompt. I'm gonna rename it to touch. Action. Touch. One button next gamepad hold duration 0. Keyword mouse activation. Object text. Grass. Touch the grass. Yeah, there we go. So now we have a game with a proximity prompt and reader stats that doesn't do anything. Now, very useful, isn't it? I probably should be making like the basic inside a script that is inside the like proximity prompt. Though I actually can make it just all here as well. Be like ChatGPT with one script that's like 5,000 lines of code. Yeah, I don't need this function for now. So let's also say workspace dot grass dot touch dot active dot charged. Is this no, it's changed. Is it dot activated? Dot triggered, I think. Maybe it's dot triggered. I have no idea. I haven't really used proximity prompts, to be honest. Function. Oh, player who triggered. No, I don't need all like so much stuff. Just player. There you go, player. Player restarts grass touch. Player dot reader stat dot grass touched grass. Okay, I'm gonna remove a space from here because it's just gonna be simpler and I don't care. I'm just gonna say grass, whatever. Dot grass. Oh wait, what was the experience's name? Sorry for bad English. It is just Secret Game 3000. Don't ask me why I named it so. Dot grass. Dot value. Okay, so now, if I'm not a dumbass, then it should give +1 reader stat when we activate this. Yeah, there we go, we get coins. Yeah, we're done with the game. Now we have a game about touching grass. We can touch grass now. But I don't think this is really what we need. But what else to add? I should probably add data store, but I'm not dealing with this on the live stream. Because usually it takes me like 15 minutes and I don't want to waste your time. So now that we have the std function that doesn't do anything, this function, what we just do, undo this please. Just a bunch of what? What happened to the script? This is weird. Hello. Where's tab? What I added? Delete breakpoint. Oh, this is weird. And I just hello. What is this? Can you do a tutorial? Can I do a tutorial on what? Maybe I should close the script and reopen the script. Oh, it fixed you. Or not. Yeah, that. Maybe we should like add maybe a shop or something. Would be nice, but that requires, to be honest, like maybe like grass upgrade. Yeah, what I can do is like upgrades for how to do a leader stats. Like okay, I might do a tutorial on this thing if you really need to, but oh wait, what did I just break? You're asking the person that can script for a tutorial. What line was that? Line 17. What goes wrong here? Player.leaderstats.graph. Oh. Value. There we go. Now it should work again. Yeah, there we go. Now we have a working leader stat. We should probably add a money counter here. So start player script. Actually, I'm just gonna make a GUI and make the script inside the GUI. UI frame. There we go. Make a GUI. Wait, I need to like look. I think this is the best place for it because mobile. I'm gonna place it here. Okay, there we go. I think this is big enough. Oh wait, how do you do a leader? Can you do a tour? How do you do a leader stat? Yeah. Grass. Make a UI corner. No, UI stroke. There we go. I need to modify them a bit, like thickness should be much bigger. There we go. I think maybe I could like add a gradient, or maybe I shouldn't actually. Let's make this black. Well, almost black. There we go, like in the gray. I'm bad at designing UI, I'm sorry. And make like the color yellow so that it looks like money or something. Well, it's not money, it should be green because we're doing a game about touching grass. It should be grass. UI corner, UI stroke. Maybe I should change the color a bit to like more of a green color so that it matches. Yeah, good enough. Now I actually need to add the text label, which doesn't take that much time. We just need to scale it. Background transparency 1. There we go. Background transparency I set to 1. Text. I'm just gonna do it as loading. Text scaled, yes, bold. Text color. White. Okay. Now I need to make a local script, which will do all of that stuff. Local script. Local for players equals game get 0 squares local player equals yes not local player. For some reason I always had problems with this like local player stuff. Local player stats player wait for child reader stats local grass. Yeah, it does code this thing just does for me. Local now I just use script dot parent dot text label dot text equals. Now I do this and then I do like wait actually need to do first I guess dot dot then I do grass dot value dot dot I think I do like space. I haven't done like this stuff in a while, but okay. Is this the way I do this? No, it's not. Where did you expect it to be 100%? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna make it be grass value for now. Grass dot value. There we go. Does it work now? Yeah, there we go. We now have counter that doesn't update, so we need to make it so it updates. So grass dot changed connect function. There we go. Now we have an updating counter. Oh, never mind, we don't. It just breaks. Oh, it's because it doesn't actually like. What's wrong with you? Oh, there we go. We actually have a live updating counter that updates, but now we need to actually wait. Let me scale it real quick because right now on mobile it works like this. Let me scale it. Grass. Text waiver. Plugins. Oh, scale right. Yeah, conversion. Scale. It should be good now. What's the important? Local particle script parent local cooldown. What is this? Hit at parent if player then if not cooldown player and user ID then cooldown player user ID where it appears stats. Oh, it's basically a script that basically does the same thing, yeah. But it dot touched and it uses something about player user IDs, and I have no idea why. And it doesn't even create the weird stats. Weird, okay. Oh wait, where's the stuff here? Let me just disable the script. Disable. Okay, now the UI should be scared, by the way. Yeah, I think it is now. So we're gonna go, okay. Whatever. This part, I'm just gonna delete it. Doesn't do anything. Now let's actually probably do the script one. What does this do? Unit where's the player at connect function. Oh, this is a script that makes like weird stats. But we already have one. Yeah. Let's add another. I'm just gonna name it like grass count. Then we do what did I just do? Oh, what are my bosses again? This is a bug in Roblox Studio for me for some reason where the like plus thing in Explorer just disappears for some reason. Show plus button in Explorer. Close. Grass count. Now I can fix this frame. Shop. I have no idea what will be here, but there will definitely be something. I yesterday played the Roblox Showdown, like the block game, and I really liked the UI. Now I want to try and replicate the UI. So they use the gradients and stuff. UI corner. Even though it probably won't match with the theme. Like I really do care about player experience, whatever. UI gradient. I need to rotate it immediately. 9 degrees I think I should do. I don't even remember the default Roblox UI orientation. Wait, why doesn't it? Hello? Why doesn't it work? Weird. Oh, because I need to enable it. No, this is the wrong. This I need to do. Okay, I need to do 280 then. There we go. Yeah, gradient. This is too wide of color. We need to make it a little darker. I think like green style, I guess. And then here I'm gonna just do like the same green, but I'm gonna make it darker. Does this look nice? No, it doesn't. Do I care? No. UI stroke. Thickness. There we go. Sharp text to label. Text label. Well, let's make a sharp text label. Which text color, text scale. Making a game on a live stream is much harder than doing it yourself because you can't just open up ChatGPT and try and do stuff. You actually need to translate this yourself. Text button. Say, I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna make a scrolling frame first. Scrolling frame. So there we go. Now I need to make some color. This is much better than before. This is now. Oh, nope. I only want to move this thing. There we go. What next? I should probably. I can just don't do anything because no one's joining. Tile. Scroll frame. Scroll. Inside the scroll, my processor gone again. Roblox, why are you so broken? Please. This is the second time on this live stream already. UI list layout. I have no idea how to use this UI list layout thing, but I'm gonna try. What are you? How to use here? Let's say text label. And where is the text label? Text label, no. Then how do I use this? Selection image. What? Achievable name, direction, warp. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna learn about this yet. I'm too stupid for this. Text button. There we go. This is the text button. I'm probably gonna make a frame for everything just so that it looks nice. There we go. Frame for this. Say X2 grass, or just say plus grass. Yeah, there we go. Grass plus whatever. I'm not gonna add any like Roblox things yet. And I have no idea what I can add this Roblox things in here, to be honest. But whatever, grass. Now we need to turn this grass into something actually nice. So there we go. Let's do text label. On background transparency. Yeah, bolded. Text scaled. White. Oh wait, this is text stroke. I mean the text color itself. Text color. There we go. Plus one grass slash touch. Yeah, genius name. The best name for an upgrade that can ever be created. Okay, I'm gonna make it be something like this. There we go. Now, name grass by. I have no idea why am I wasting so much time on DUI when I should actually be doing something like scripting, for example. Bye. Oh well. I'm just gonna leave the button like that for now. Or I can just remove the background and say, yeah, good enough. In fact, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say remove background. Yeah. Very good, professionally looking button. Title. Buy grass button scroll. Shop. Now you just scale this all. Scale. Is it scaled properly or not? Yeah, it does. Oh, the button doesn't, but who cares? Whatever. Now I need to make a replicate storage event. Remote event. Oh, remote event. Bye. Script. Show. Local script. Let's go. Local. Wait, where is my Roblox Studio on macOS is so bugged, to be honest. For example, where is my typing thing? Where is my typing indicator? And the only way to fix this is to restart your Roblox Studio. In fact, I guess I'm gonna have to do this. So publish Roblox. Close place. Close my Roblox Studio. And just do that. Secret game 3000. Okay, it opened up right the next script and then use the game. Get their squares. Also replicate storage. Just do local. Okay, I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna do replicate storage dot on client event connect function and we need to make items. There we go, item. Let's go script the client first. If item equals I'm gonna use item IDs because because I'm too lazy to type all this stuff out. Let's say if item ID, we're gonna make item ID and then say 1. Then if players of total player distance value is over than 100, then where's total player distance the grass value equals minus 100. And now let's say I'm just gonna use a weird stat for grass multiplier too, like, or grass per touch or something. Local. Yeah, you all will not have to know what grass per T means. Grass per touch, yeah. No, I'm just gonna say try G. Yeah, there we go. Grass, there we go. Now we have grass per touch. What a genius name for a weird stat. Was players weird stats dot grass per touch. Then players here's dot local player dot reader stats. Oh wait, I actually need to probably reader stats GPT dot value. I should do like a task dot wait so that if you're not gonna be buying anything so fast, just so it has time to get all the stuff. Oh, yeah. Messaging me. No one. Whatever. Here's all player. So now that we do grass for touch, one player, two player, GUI, the shop is visible. False. I actually need to like make the server of this. Actually, why did you attempt to index now with name? Wait, what? My server script service 16. Line 16 and something is incorrect. Line 16, this is grass grass PT, there we go. Grass PT. So there we go. Do we have any errors now? No, we don't. Okay. Plus one grass per touch. So we can just touch grass and we get additional grass that we get to touch. But for some reason there's on-client event and we need to do fire server instead. So we do my so why am I even making all of this in I am stupid. I am making like the server thing in the local script. Alright, I'm forced to redo all of this. Corrupt dot parent dot so where is the script again? I wanna know where it is located. Dot UI, dot shop, dot local script. Okay, so we need to do dot scroll, dot parent, scroll dot. Wait, dot grass plus dot to be the next function. And then we do player. Wait, I think the Roblox automatically sends the player, doesn't it? Yeah, I think it does. We just need to say the item to be 1. There we go. The item ID is 1. Sure. Crypto parrot name the shop. Now we just not name it. We just do replicate storage dot buy fire server. Select function. Oh wait, we don't actually need this here. We need to put this inside the remote event. So the fire server 1. So now we have an event that fires the server. We can just say print fired server. There we go. We now start this game. What? Activate is not a valid member of frame player. Oh, never mind. Not activated. Grass color shop. Dot scroll. Dot grass plus. Dot buy. Oh, it should be dot grass plus dot buy dot activated. Connect function. Okay, there we go. Now it should work. Let's see, that's the fire server. Yeah, there we go. Fire server. But the server doesn't do anything yet. If you were here from the beginning, you probably already know that, but whatever. Then this script is gonna be core server. Yay! And also I need to fix the UI scaling first because I want to work in the UI scale instead of something. Actually, a working scaled UI. So just scale, just scale. And it should be scaled now, right? No, it's not. Then what's wrong? Oh. How do I fix the scaling then? Like, it scales this thing, it scales all the other stuff, but it just doesn't want to scale this thing. What if I turn off the like text scaled thing here? And do I just turn this thing off? And then I try? I kinda want it to work instead of just don't. Offset first. Alright, my UI doesn't work. I'm the developer, I'm the professional developer who can't make normal UI. We're gonna do buy grass, there we go. Buy grass plus, and now what I'm gonna do is go to like size and just do all of this. I think it's like 0.5 you should do or something. No, it's 0.5. Now why doesn't it do like 0.5? Can I do so please? Yeah, there we go. Then I apparently do same here, 0.5. Offset. No, don't scale it, just make it be 0. Yes, please. There we go. Offset 0. Now I'm done with this. Now I just need to apparently rescale it and it should be good. Wow, I wish it was that simple. Where did my UI even go? I think I'm doing something wrong, don't I? Is this like an infinite thing? Did I just make an infinite Roblox scale? Because I don't think it's the way it should be. the name. I guess I'm just gonna redo this. Do this whole thing. So just like grass plus the frame itself. I'm just gonna take all of this and put this into scroll itself for now. Because it just made the frame be gigantic. I'm just gonna recreate the frame, whatever. Plus grass. Now I just put this into here. Plus grass. Wait, before I do so, actually, if you want to put this into here and say bye, then I need to do background color and say plus grass, and then just do background transparency. Do something smaller, I guess. Bye, so I'm gonna have bye name. Now let's move all of this. Go do bye. Put all of this into here. I have grass slash touch. Plus 1 grass per touch. So every single time you touch grass, you get a little bit more grass. Wow. Now I just need to touch grass. I can't even like make it so that my mouse can actually change the size of the, oh, there we go. Much better. Now I just move this here. And now it still shouldn't work. Oh, it still doesn't work. Wow, I'm even surprised at this point. But whatever, I'm gonna scale it later. Maybe I will. Or will I? That's also a good question. I mean, I could make it so that it's just scaled like it's on phones everywhere. So, do that. And then I take this name, plus grass thing. Can just scale the whole frame. Maybe. Oh, scale right here version. Scale. Well, now it is somewhat working, but there's no one here. I might as well end the stream. But whatever, I still want to keep making the game, so I probably won't. Alright, now let's actually script the server for this. Service. Core server. Script. I just test the event so that it even works. Yeah, grass plus 1,000 left from event question register. Valid member. Oh. Wait, I did something wrong. Yeah, I need to rename it plus grass. There we go. Now it should be fixed. Yeah, it is. Okay, now touch grass. I'm just gonna have the console here. No, we only get one message for some. Oh, there we go, actually. Yeah, we get the event. So now let's actually make it print like the ID of the item. I'm actually gonna do prayer. I just do prayer dot true by so I need to actually test does it like share the item ID and stuff. No, it does. Accept the content. It's just trying. What? Okay, I just make it print item ID, I guess. If it even sends, gets the item. Yeah, there we go. So now, actually need to start scripting. F1. Wait, if item ID equals 1, then if here dot weird stats at graphic value it's over 100, go to weird stats graph 9. No, why does it say where do you have the graphic? No, that's not what we need. What I need to do now is make it so that it adds graphs per click. So player dot reader stats dot graphs dot wait, what is the name of the thing again? GPT. Okay, GPT dot equals 1. So there we go. It should probably work now, but I'm not sure because my scripting skills are absolutely perfect and it doesn't work. As you can see, it doesn't work. What is wrong? Players at weird stats dot maybe it's because I need to actually wait for the weird stats. I should have just used the wait for chat to be honest, but I don't know why I didn't do that. I'm just too lazy to redo all of this stuff. Oh wait, it doesn't work because my reader stats is like I don't have 100 grass. My bad. Let me auto click some grass real quick. Do you hear the sound of me clicking on the E key to get grass? There you go, 100 grass. Yo, it actually works. Okay. We have some progress. Now we get more grass per touching grass. I think this is enough progress for this live stream, and I'm gonna go outside and touch actual grass. And no one joined, so goodbye. Yeah, goodbye.